Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Angular. So today we are going to learn about the how to add multiple components on the same page. Like you can see that if we have a component, like whenever we create with the command, like these are the components. Like if I want like multiple components should be include in the same page so that it maintains the coding structure and everything. So we are going to implement this way, right? So if I don't want to write all the code in the one HTML file, so I want to add, so that's the reason I'm going to use the multiple components. I'm going to include that all components in the same HTML file. So how we are going to do that in the Angular 14 or 8 or any Angular part, so we are going to see that part. Okay, so those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like the video and do comment and share on it. Okay, so let's get started. So here we have the code, right? So this is the book list, right? And in the book list I want to add some of the new things, right? So here I'm going to add a new file name anything reports dot here we have the file name, right? Just I'm going to add this one, rename, done. Add any of the HTML over here, so I'm going to add here this title, done. Next part, I'm going to create component.ts. So here I'm going to a new file, component.ts. Okay, this line of code I need to add it over here. Paste. Okay, only I want the titles. Okay, everything work. Export class done. What next we have? We have to include this register this component in the main part. So where I have to go, not this app module.ts. So here I need to use this one, import reports component, right? And I want to use this in our tech imports. Okay, this part we have done. Okay, and now we are going to import this one where we have reports.component is app reports. Just copy this selector. Okay, and use this and book list.html component, right? So currently listing part is this one. I'm going to add this part. Okay, so whatever the data contains this file, okay, the reports component.html, it will show. Okay, let's have a look on that. Okay, listing page, where is listing? You can see that app works. So you can see whatever the data I have added here, reports component.html, right? Title I can add over here, um div welcome to my channel, right? And if I go and check welcome to my channel, so whatever data, so you can see that I have add multiple components, but the main one is same, but I can include to the any of the part with the syntax. What is the syntax of that one? So it is a syntax where we have added app reports, whatever we have defined here, the selector, right? So this is how you can do the things in Angular very easily. Okay, and it's very useful for maintaining the code structure and all. So any query, any doubt in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.